Welcome to the largest nickel-producing country in Indonesia. East Halmahera Regency. Did you know that this area is very rich in natural resources? This area is located in North Maluku province, precisely in East Halmahera Regency. I tried flying the drone in the pier area, one of the connecting roads to the mining location. I can show you the location of the nickel mine on a mountain called Tanjung Bule. In front of me, you can clearly see a mountain that is almost bald because it has been produced. The local community's livelihoods are fishing and farming. Unfortunately, many people have changed their profession from fishermen to mine workers. This is the activity of the mine workers. Some go out and some come home at any time. And there are many more mining locations. The distance is not too far because it takes about 30 minutes. Haltam is known as one of the food barns in North Maluku. The leading commodities include rice, corn, coconut, and secondary crops and horticulture. A total of 68 villages in this district focus on the plantation sector, while 10 villages develop horticulture crops and 9 villages plant food crops. With a long coastline and rich waters, fisheries are a potential sector in abundant marine products, including fish and other catches, support food security and the local economy. Haltam offers stunning natural tourist destinations, such as exotic beaches, small islands, and interesting diving spots. Some of the top tourist locations include: follow our journey to explore East Halmahera Regency, a hidden paradise in eastern Indonesia. Discover exotic natural charm, rich cultural diversity, and inspiring stories from every corner.